Okay, I'm gonna do an unboxing of a product I bought last week on Amazon. It's an automatic water dispenser. It's actually used for water dispensers like in office spaces for fresh, clean water. But it was $14, I believe, $14 on Amazon. And if you can see the part number right there. And I'm gonna unbox it. I did set up a small sink basin right there with some clean water in it and a bucket. The bucket's going to be for the waste coming out of the sink basin. But we're going to unbox this and see how it works. So what's in the package? So you got this little tube here. So it does come with, it's actually a battery inside of here. And it comes with a USB cable to charge that battery for use without any electricity. So this would be good for setting up as far as, you know, like I made something when you going camping, or maybe even putting this in, I guess, a bug out van or something you can use that you don't actually need to have a water line hooked to or electricity. So this is what comes in the box, this piece, which is the pump. You can charge it by a USB right there. It comes with a tube. What else we got here? Comes with, so this is going to be the tube that goes in the bottom of it right here, that actually ciphers and pulls the water out of whatever fresh water you have. Or I'm actually going to just use a jug of water I just made up. It doesn't come much with instructions on it, just this little pamphlet. So pretty much self-explanatory. That's it right there. So USB cable. So when I hook it up, I'm sure it's simple to do without any instructions. So yeah, so in the bottom there's this right here. So we just gonna plug this in here for the pump to work. This goes up in there. So without the water, any water hooked to it, they said the pump is loud. I'm gonna see how loud it is. You can hear the pump running, of course. It is quite loud without any water running through it. So I got this set up. This is just something around the house with some water in it. So I'm going to use this as a water source. Just run the tube down here in the bottom into a water container. So that's where I'll be drawing my water from. You can have a bigger water container with fresher water, but I'm just using this as far as washing my hands in my shop where I don't have any running water. Very simple. The 5-gallon bucket is going to be for disposal, more or less. You could cut a drain. I just used the old basin I cut a drain in. There's the bucket it's gonna actually fall into for your waste. You can make it more better than this, but like I said, this is demonstration purposes, and you can actually take this camping, or like I said, whatever you need to have some fresh water flowing without hooking it up to an actual water line. So this right here, it appears it just goes down in here. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, so it just goes down in here. You could have it like that too, but I imagine it's like this. It just pushes down in there. So that's pretty much it. I cut a hole right here so I can use it sort of set down in there, and then right there. So it'd be more or less like a small little sink to wash your hands in. Let's see here. Take this tube and put it down in some fresh water right here. There we go. And let's see if it works. And it's just power right here on top of it, so we'll see if it pushes. And there it is. Works pretty good. Good enough to wash your hands in. Like I said, if you're camping or someone washing dishes or wash your hands off outside right quick. Fairly well. If you have clean water hooked up to it, of course you can put a cup under here and have water. Very easy. You can just cut it right off. And there is where it's draining into the bucket. And like I said, once you get done, whatever your waste you have, you can throw it out, or you can hook a actual some type of drain pipe and let it drain out into your yard, as long as you're not draining any kind of chemicals that hurt the environment. So one more time, I'm gonna try it out. Very simple to do. Just mash the button, and there's the water source.